โอเคบาทกรบนี้จะเรียบสู้สุดในnet ออกนี่สวัสดิ์กรมการ channel เฮงมุจิวัต official ฟาดจิตทำไมโอเคจะได้คือยมคานพอวิดีโอยังมันขายบาทจังอะไรยมตลอดมาวันนี้จังอันนี้ได้คือยังมาเล่นเกมทำไมมุ่งใจจนตะการ net ออกนี้แต่เกมวันนี้มีชื่อว่า Sleeping Dog Definitive Edition แต่ net ออกนี่รอบเคยเนี่ยยูทูบเบอร์เล่ให้นั่งไงโดยจะบองให้ละ Slender บองวีโปรแกรมเองเนี่ยนี่ประกอบจะทลอบเมื่อจังอันนี้ได้คือยังมาเล่นเกมนั่งมองแล้วต่อจังจะปูแกนึงตัวคือยมหนึ่งทัวร์วิดีโอจีแลกกันนะเอพิโซดทัวร์จีแลกกันนะเอพิโซดหนึ่งเติร์ดดับใบก็มาซีเปลอยู่จังกันนะออกนี้จังฝรั่งในระดับมาทำไมก็เพลย์จุด subscribe กันเลยช่องให้มุชิบุต official พ้องดับใบมีวิดีโอทำไมใจจุดตะการในออกนี้เด็ดต่อจังยังกับพาคาดไปเลยยุ่ยังเธอการโจเลยออกนี้ let's go อย่างนี้คือยังเลงใบแลกกันนะเชียแลกกันนะสักเรื่องบ่าเลงจีแลกกันนะสักเรื่องนี่จังเธอบ่า
收到啦。咩啊？好多錢？
搞錯，佢帶住咁大把刀嘅。
明白。
情報話目標喺南邊過緊嚟啊。
ให้จะมาฟันตัวอังหน้าแต่กันมีเห็นจังนะแต่ขนม
我睇實佢。
เกมนั้นนะบ่าน่าจะตัวอังบ่เยอะนี่จังนะบ่า
He's early.
I'm not fucking blind.
Relax, old boy. We're on the same side, remember?
條友都幾串喎。喂，有冇貨？
Yeah, you got the money?
喂，情報有變。
ว่านี่
咩啊？
有個碼頭佢由後面上
ปีนี้นึงกับปงตัดดักระบอบมวยแต่ในคงกับโบเป็นจังนะคือจีกรึเงียนบ่าเอากระเปกหมักนงใจดัดได้ปลีกับสแกนมือtớiมีน่ะฟันน่ะฟกนี่บ่า
Keys a week if you want.
ดักโดกรึเงียนนี่จังนะจูนโดกรึเงียนนี่จังตึ
Good enough
บ่า
for you?
喂，究竟發生咩事啊？
咩啊？邊撚個啊你？
แต่ปลีกับโจฟัวอย่าไปกระทอนนึงกันกับบัดได้บ่า
You crazy? No, don't.
Maybe we can sort something out, huh?
你兇我啊！你知唔知我係邊個啊？
นี่กลับมากับบัดมวยบ่าโอเคต่อ
截住佢！
หนาตัวอังเยอะบ่าตัวอังเยอะนั่งกับมวยเนี่ยบ่าโอ้ยอย่ากลับมากับบัดทันตัวปีกกับไปกระทวดบ่านี่ปรองกลับมากับบัดเทียบตายไปเลยขอดโอเคต่อเลยจะเมื่อไหร่ไอ้ยาในการกระโบกคือจิตตัวอังบ่าเยอะบ่านี่ตัวอังบ่าเยอะการกระโบกการกระโบกนั่นโอเคต่อเลยยังเตอการถกิจปีไปเลยมองtới bàn nàyยังจะกับซออัลฟิฟขี่ทางเชงบ่าโอ้ my god นะในกราฟิกสมูทขนาดมันเต้นไอ้แย่บ่าโลดเตอร์มวยบ่าโลดเตอร์มวยรถโจกลายเกลุ่ยไตรเองโอ้ยตัวสักกรอดยืนสักกรรมได้ตัวอังเยอะบ่าตัวอังเยอะยังสักกรรมได้บ่านี่ปลีนี่ slow motion ไวปลีมวยปลีเด้งเมาเลยบ่าลากเลยตัวโบจากเกมวยhot cross นี่โจอะไรตุ้งมอนเกบ่าบ่าเลยปลีก็จับบานคณีเยิมเนี่ยได้ชั่วนัสบ่านัสพลอตูมวยบ่านี่บ่าเราจริงแก้วเราได้ดีตัวมีสวัสดิภาพเรายังไม่กระด้ก็กิจมันพอดได้บ่าปลีก็จับบานหุ่มปอดบ่า
Come on, we can work something out, right？
唔使諗啦，入到監倉裏面慢慢反省啦。而家唔係事必要你講，除非你自己想講。
บ่าปลีจับเยอะนะบ่าởดังแท้เกมจูนยืนตะนาได้บ่ามีแต่โจกนงปุกได้บ่า อา chia sẻ phong này học nên là sai hiện sẽ tắt đây mà
Wait,
nên bắt tắt một tí
Shen? It's Jackie from Old Prosperity, man.
và đây tuang ở Alpha này cứ chỉ tuang checking mà để chỉ mình pet bảo Wei Shen bà
Get back. Whoa.
Đi.
Wait, man, you look like shit.
Hey, fuck you. 15 years to do that. We're not kids anymore.
Whatever, man. Ask anyone. Jackie Ma still looks good.
Jackie Ma is still the same old, but good to see you.
What the fuck? They finally deport your ass from the United States?
It was mutual. Time I came home anyway.
Yeah, lock up. Home sweet home. So what they get you on?
Nothing that'll stick.
Ha! Well, don't let them pin any extra shit on you. Fuckers will try, let me tell you. Once they hear you're from Old Prosperity, happens all the time.
Hey, so you still in touch with any of the guys from there?
A few, you know. People kind of go their separate ways, but... You remember Winston? He's moved all the way up to Red Bull
បាទ
in the sun
និយាយទៅតួអង្គ Jackie Man នេះក៏នៅធ្វើការជាមួយនឹង
right now, matter of fact.
អាហារដ្ឋានមួយកន្លែងនៅ Golden Koi
Shit, dog
ហើយ
eyes.
ក៏ធ្វើការជាមួយមេហ្នឹងគឺឈ្មោះ Winston បាទ Winston
Still a total poke guy. He was the one who got Winston in. They were pretty tight back then, but now... Hey, wasn't Dog Eyes hanging with your sister?
មួយទៀត Manson the Dog
Long
Eye
time ago.
បាទ
Hey, remember when we were kids and
Man
you
sent
strapped
the
Dog
dog
Eyes
eye
to the
ទៀត
pen? You totally saved my ass that day.
ក៏ប៉ុន្តែ
Oh,
ហ្គេម
man, I
ហ្នឹង
gotta
គឺ
tell
ខ្ញុំ
Winston
លេង
that story. Fucking love
បានដង
it.
ហើយតែពេលខ្លះខ្ញុំខានលេងវាយូរទៅចង់ទៅសាច់រឿងខ្លះៗដែរហ្នឹងណាអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នា
I can't believe
ចឹង
it.
ខ្ញុំអធិស្ឋានទុកមុនផងបាទ
Looks like
បាទ
I'm
លើ
out
ប៉ូ
of
លី
here.
សហៅ Wei Shen
Hey, Jackie.
ឬមួយក៏ Jackie
So look, if you and Winston ever need help with any of that shit you got going on with him,
Of course, man. Look me up when you get out. Just be like old times.
បាទហៅ Jackie មកទៅសុកសួរសុកទុកហើយបាទអានេះតួអង្គរបស់យើងខ្នោះដៃនៅពីក្រោយហ្មងបាទនៅពីក្រោយហ្មងបាទបាទហើយទៅដល់ជួបជាមួយនឹងអបិមួយគឺអបិ Pandrew
Seems
I
that
bet
the evidence
មួយ
against
ពាក់
you
អា
has
វ
failed to appear.
ខ្មៅអង្គុយនិយាយមុខមួយយើងហ្នឹងគឺជាអត
You
បិ
must be a
Pandrew
very dangerous man, Wei Shen.
អតបិ Pandrew ហ្នឹងបើខ្ញុំនិយាយស្ដាប់ទៅគឺជាមេដែរហ្នឹងគឺជាមេធំ
That is exactly what we want people to think.
ហើយធ្វើការឲ្យ Big Smiley Dog Eye អញ្ចឹងទៅហើយនេះ
I'd ask them the same
មួយ
question. You guys are out of shape. It paid off though. I
ពាក់
made
អាវ
contact
ពណ៌
with
រៀង
Jackie
ខៀវហ្នឹង
Ma.
គឺជាអាវពាក់
I'm in.
Raymond បាទ Raymond
You send
Raymond ហ្នឹង
it
គឺ
close to
ជាអ្នក
Winston Chu, do whatever it
report
takes.
របាយការណ៍ឲ្យ
Raymond
យើង
Hill
អ
will
ញ្ចឹង
be your
ណាណា
handler. You report
But
everything
Raymond
to
ហ្នឹង
him.
Our intel suggests that Winston is looking for muscle.
គឺជាអ្នករាយការណ៍អញ្ចឹងណាបាទ
I've done this.
អំពីករណីដែលយើងត្រូវធ្វើអ
American
ញ្ចឹង
gangs,
ណា
even
បាទ
Asian ones,
ពាក់
don't
Raymond
compare
ហ្នឹង
to the triads here. The Sun On Yi is the most powerful
Look,
gang.
Raymond. Your name's Raymond, right?
Yes.
I grew up with these guys. I know who they are, what they are. All the intel reports in the world won't give you that.
We want the Red Poles, the lieutenants like Winston, all of them. And most of all, the Dragonhead.
Candidly, Wei, previous attempts to get close to him haven't panned out. We don't have much to go on. That's why you're here. I'm hoping that you can bring something more to our investigation.
I understand, sir. Look, the sooner I'm on the street, the sooner I can start.
ឥឡូវប៉ូលីស
Raymond will be in
ឲ្យ
touch.
យើងនឹងដោះលែងអញ្ចឹងណាដោះលែងឲ្យមានសេរីភាពដើម្បីកែខ្លួនអញ្ចឹងណាបាទ
Respectfully, sir, are you sure about him? He'll be under extreme stress maybe for a very long time. Now, I'm not sure he has the discipline to hold up. According to the file, he has a history of extreme behavior.
Yes, and an astonishing number of
He
convictions.
obviously blames the Triads for what happened to his family. It could turn into a vendetta.
Raymond, Wei Shen is perfect for this job.
បាទ Frame អតបិ Pandrew គាត់និយាយថាតួអង្គរបស់យើងបាទន័យថាយើងអញ្ចឹងគឺល្អឥតខ្ចោះបាទ
Man, this is going to be great.
Yeah, thanks again, Jackie. I appreciate the intro.
No problem, man. By the way, you know I tried looking you up a few years back, but I couldn't find shit. Do they have internet in America?
I think they're getting it next year.
Guess you were in prison or something. Come on, let's get out of here.
បាទឥឡូវគឺយើង follow ជាមួយនឹង Jackie Ma យើងដើរតាម Jackie Ma យើងអញ្ចឹងណាបាទយើងដើរតាមគាត់ឯហ្នឹងទៅបាទ
So Winston's a red pole now?
All this territory
និយាយទៅខ្ញុំឆ្លាញ់ game ហ្នឹងត្រង់ថាវាថាមានក្បាច់គុណនៅក្នុងហ្នឹងអីចឹងណាបាទយ៉ាជក់បរិយឌឺទៀតចង់ដាក់ទេតែនេះទៅសារតែ mission យ៉ានេះស្រីស្អាតជក់បរិយអេស្រីស្អាតសុំលេខទូរស័ព្ទមួយបានអត់ទៅសុំលេខទូរស័ព្ទអីបើម្នាក់ស្រីនឹងជក់បរិយនឹងហុយជុកឲ្យទៅសុំគេសុំលេខគេមកកើតបាទចេះនិយាយលេងញ៉ាំបរិយាកាសទៅណាអស់នេះយ៉ានេះស្រីស្អាតជក់បរិយនៅក្នុងបន្ទប់អីនឹងទៀតបើខ្យល់ឲ្យបានន័យថាឲ្យវាលយអញ្ចឹងណាហេនិយាយទៅនៅហុងកុងវាច្រើនគឺសបោមិនថាចិនទេមិនថាហុងកុងទេចិនអីហ្នឹងទៅគឺសបោស្រីភាគច្រើនជក់បរិយវាអញ្ចឹងទៅ Oh my god
Parents don't even know me. Once we get to know each other, they'll love me.
នេះ
淆底就認，打就企定。你同我含撚啦！呢度幾撚時輪到你講
យ៉ាឌឺអាយ៉ានេះចង់ធ្វើបាបមិត្តភក្តិយើងផងបាទមិត្តភក្តិ Jackie Ma និយាយគ្នាតាមសង្រួតទៅវាថៃចាំបាច់ប្រើហិង្សាចុះបាទអត់ប្រអងយូរទេយើងចាត់ការប្រត់នេះយើងឆ្លាញ់ហ្គេមនោះត្រង់ថាមានក្បាច់គុណនេះប្រៃជើងហោះមួយអាយ៉ារុញអាឆ្លើយជង្គង់ពិឃាតរុញតាវាស្អីណែបាក់ជើងនេះវត្តទៅមួយណែអាយ៉ារុញអាឆ្លើយវ៉ារុញសិនណែនេះញ៉ាំត្រៃជើងហោះដៃផ្ដាច់សងខាអាយ៉ាមានទៀត
Kidding me? Yeah, all right. Come the fuck on.
អូខេតោះ5ទល់1យ៉ាឆ្លើយឆ្លើយនេះបោកដីមួយជើងមកជើងទៀតយ៉ាយោវត្តមួយនេះដាក់មកធូកាមួយស៊ីមកធូកាមួយទៀតនេះកន្លែងដាក់ធូកាបាទគាត់ទៅដាក់នោះមួយទៀតនេះបោកនឹងជាងមួយកវត្តចោលមួយយ៉ារុញទៀតវ៉ារុញសិនយ៉ា fuck you នេះជើងមួយនេះដាក់ងាប់ហ្មងមកណានៅរស់យ៉ានោះមួយទៅឯណែឥឡូវវាយអាមេមួយសិនចាប់អាមេមួយសិនចាប់យកវាមកដាក់ជាមួយនឹងអានេះបាក់ឆ្អឹងក្នុងមួយបាទអាមេ Jackie Ma អត់អីណាអី
That look nasty. You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Bunch of fucking assholes. So, everything's cool? Well, you're welcome anyway.
Come on, Jackie. Let's go see Winston.
បាទឥឡូវ Jackie Ma នាំយើងទៅជួបជាមួយនឹងមេរបស់យើងគឺWinston មេរបស់ Jackie Ma អញ្ចឹងណាបាទ Winston ហើយនេះConroy អាមួយឆ្លឹកអាមួយនេះហ្នឹងនេះ
Relax, man. This is Wade.
មួយកាវេឆានឲ្យជួបមេយើងនេះ Conroy បាទ
We can't keep track of your bullshit friends, Jackie. No outsider.
He's not an outsider. He's from Old Prosperity. Like us. Hoochie all day. Wade's old school, you know? I grew up with the guy.
Old Prosperity, huh? 點解我唔記得你嘅？
បាទនេះគឺជាមេ
Jackie said you were looking
នៅកន្លែងអាហារដ្ឋានរបស់ Golden Coin ហ្នឹងគឺ Winston នេះអាមួយពាក់ហ្វៃកមាសហ្នឹងអង្គុយលើតុហើយមានសាក់ពេញខ្លួនហើយសក់កវត្ត អីហ្នឹងទៅបាទ
Hey, man.
នេះគឺមេ
They attacked us.
នៅ Golden Coy បាទ
Seems to me you could use some better.
អ្នក Conroy
Yeah, huh?
បាទ
Winston, I don't like this cocky little fucker.
Oh, wait.
ហេឈប់
Dang Yatsen. I do remember you. You had a sister, right, Hamaya?
Yeah, Mimi.
បាទតួអង្គ Vision របស់យើងក៏មានបងស្រីអញ្ចឹងទៅគឺឈ្មោះមីមី
Hung out with dog eyes.
ដើរលេងជាមួយ Dog Eye
Done I so to bao ga.
បាទមីមី Shen ឥឡូវនាងនៅណា
She's dead.
នាងស្លាប់អត់ហើយ
Sorry.
សំទោស
Oh, you see ya. So, 10 guys, huh? You feel this? They're just crazy.
Try capable.
We'll see. Conroy,
Conroy
you know that problem we got in the market? Why don't you take Wei with you?
យើឆ្លើយទេអា Conroy
Hang back a second.
មុនដំបូងគឺ Conroy ក៏នៅតែឌឺយើងអត់ចូលចិត្តយើងអញ្ចឹងណាតែពេលយូរទៅគឺគេចូលចិត្តយើងអញ្ចឹងទៅតាំងពីតួអង្គ Winston បានស្លាប់នៅក្នុងថ្ងៃពិធីមង្គលការបាទ
Dude, see what he's got.
ហើយអាប៉ែតងោលមួយរៀបនឹងវាយយើងហ្នឹងគឺឈ្មោះដុកបាទនិយាយអស់បណ្ដោយទៅបាទនេះតួអង្គដុកចេះអសអ៊ីដើម្បីតដៃជាមួយនឹងសត្រូវបាទនេះនេះជើងមួយថយឆ្ងាយតិចឆ្ងាយតិចអូខេ
That all you got?
នេះអូខេត្រៀម3ទៅ1ប្រើជាមួយនឹងអាចុចអសអ៊ីនេះអាចឆ្លើយនេះអា Conroy នេះស៊ីមួយដៃ
Fight back.
អាដុកនេះអា Conroy នេះដាក់ Conroy ឲ្យទក់សាច់នោះបាទយើងទ្រាំទ្រក្នុងរយៈពេល30វិនាទីបាទយ៉ានេះអានេះគេវឹកហាក់សមទុកវាយជាមួយនឹងសត្រូវអញ្ចឹងណា
How about that? That all you got?
បាទដកអាយមកល្មមដកអាយណែបាច់ប្របាក់ដៃមួយ
Hey,你搞乜撚嘢啊
Boss, we were just leaving. 走啦吓。
បាទនេះដកអាយមកល្មមនេះ
Just getting
ឈ្មោះវាភ្នែកឆ្កែបាទ
Winston, my old friend. So good to see you. How's your family, huh?
What do you want, dog eyes?
Oh,
Ai chào bạn ấy à,
Winston,
dog eye.
wait. Brother, I just came to talk to you, man. For old time's sake. Let's work something out here, okay? We can share.
និយាយទៅតួអង្គ Winston នឹងជាមួយនឹង Dog Eye ហ្នឹងគឺមានរឿងឆ្លោះគ្នាដោយសារការកាន់កាប់ទឹកដីនៅឯក្រុមសាឡានជីអញ្ចឹងនិយាយទៅបែងចែកអញ្ចឹងណាបាទ
You remember Mimi Shen? Back when you first started getting girls from Big Smiley?
Oh, Mimi. Oh, yeah. First girl ever sucked my cock. Yeah, so what?
កូនចៅគាត់ក៏ឆ្លើយដែរនេះសម្បី Vision ក៏ខឹងដែរនេះ
Remember me
Whoa,
now?
whoa, 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 wait, what
មិនដឹង
the
តែ
fuck,
ខឹងឯង
man?
គឺអត់ដែលដឹងអំពីសាវតារបស់ Dog Eye ទៀត
I'm really
ចូលមុនដំបូងអញ្ចឹងណា
your sister.
ចូលជាមួយនឹង
The night market
Winston
is
អញ្ចឹង
mine,
ណា
dog eyes.
បាទ
You got seal wide.
ពេលហ្នឹងអត់ទាន់ដឹងទេ
That was
ដំបូងឯហ្នឹង
So stay the fuck out.
Hey, tell your sister give me a call, huh? I wouldn't mind giving her a mouthful.
បាទតួអង្គ Vision ខឹងមែនតើហ្មងបាទខឹងនឹង Dog Eye ខ្លាំងមែនតើ
Used to be my friend. Jackie, you two go to the night market. You make sure people understand that I'm in control, not dog eyes. Got it?
Got it, boss. Momentai.
And you fuck up anybody who tries to get in your way. I want to send a fucking message.
អូបាទ
This will be easy. No problem. You just have to be strong. That's what people
បាទឥឡូវគឺឈាមយើងនៅសល់ចិត្តពាក់កណ្ដាលអីចឹងចុះបាទ
back there.
Mimi?
ឥឡូវយើងដើរតាម Jackie មកអញ្ចឹងដើម្បីទៅ
Years
ទាញ
ago,
លុយ
after we moved to the States,
ពី
you
ពួក
tried to
អ្នក
get
សា
that
ណា
but
That sucks. She was
ក្នុង
you know, really alive.
my mother thought maybe a new
North
city,
Point បាទ
country, But the hooks weren't deep.
Man, once you start on that shit, it's hard to stop. For anybody.
Yeah. Once she started.
Oh, man. And it was Dog Eyes that got her into it?
Yep. Fucking Dog Eyes.
You gonna tell Winston?
No. You?
Shit, Wade. Winston's the boss, but when we were kids, you were the only person who was nice to me. You were my best friend, man. That means more than a boss, you know? Hey, all Hollywood movies.
cái tôi má
Joey Quan sells pirate.
បាទឥឡូវយើងប្រមូលលុយពីអ្នកលក់electronic បាទ
You want good clothes?
Hey, little brother. We work for Winston.
I understand. How can I help?
Winston runs this place, and if you don't want trouble, you pay him. Period.
Of course, no problem.
អូខេយើងទទួលបានមួយបាទចឹងយើងទៅហាងនេះលកាមួយ
You want good clothes?
ឥឡូវខ្ញុំសុំញ៉ាំមួយសិនដើម្បីយកកម្លាំងបងអើយជួយយក fish dumpling មួយមកបងបាទ$25 ហុងកុងអូយើងញ៉ាំហ្នឹងទៅគឺវាជួយឡើងឈាមហើយការ damage ទៀតបាទ ឥឡូវយើងទៅកន្លែងហាងលក់នាឡិការបស់គ្នា Let's go
Collecting for Winston.
Winston? Dog Eye said he's in charge here.
We're here to clarify.
យ៉ាបែនេះយ៉ាតានេះឆ្លើយ
Fusion?
I'm not
Bah.
afraid you guys.
Don't be a
យ៉ា
tough
មាន
guy.
កូនចៅទៀតបាទឥឡូវមើលសិនឥឡូវយើងធ្វើការចាប់វាដាក់ចូលទៅក្នុងកន្លែងទូទូស័ព្ទនេះធាក់ជើងមួយបែតាប្រមឲ្យលុយខ្ញុំអត់
You see reason.
Take the money. Dog Eye won't be happy.
អាយ៉ា dog I won't be happy dog I គឺធ្វើឲ្យតានឹងអត់ស្បាយចិត្តទេបាទពេលឲ្យលុយ dog I នោះគឺ
Killed him.
កូនចៅ dog I
He'll just have to drink through a straw for a while.
ភ្លេចបញ្ជាក់កន្លែងហ្នឹងតិច Dragon Cake ចាំមើលពេលណាវីដេអូក្រោយនេះចាំធ្វើឥឡូវទៅទាលុយនៅលក់ផ្លែឈើចឹងបាទ
Winston? I don't have any business with Winston.
Everyone has business with Winston. You're gonna pay up, you understand?
Go tell Winston to stick a back choy up his ass. Hey, fellas!
យ៉ាមានគ្នាទៀតឥឡូវចេះ
Come on, guys!
នេះចង់វាយអាចឆ្លើយអាយ៉ាឥឡូវយើងញែកសិនចំនេះវកតុយមួយ no នេះជើងមួយចាប់អាមួយនោះតិចអូខេឲ្យចេកគីម៉ាយើងឲ្យចេកគីម៉ាវាយមកទៅចាំមើលចេកគីម៉ាវាយឈ្នះបើថាវាយអត់ឈ្នះទៅចាប់ហើយ
Get back up!
ណែមកជើងមកហើយតែប្រមឲ្យលុយអត់
So did you have a message for Winston?
He's obviously better than Dog Eyes. Please give him this payment from me.
យ៉ានិយាយចឹងមកมันត្រូវថ្លៃគ្នាតិចនេះបាទ
I think we're almost
កូនចៅប្រមាណអ្នកក៏វាយមិនឈ្នះដែរបាទ
Hey, look at that guy. He's beating up that old man. That ain't your
បាទឥឡូវយើងទៅកន្លែងនោះតិចយ៉ាពួកអាចឆ្លើយទៅធ្វើបាបអីដល់តាហ្នឹងអីចូលផ្ទះមកកំភ្លៀងទៀតអាចឆ្លើយផ្ទះកំភ្លៀងនេះចាស់ទៀតមិនស្រីអានឹងមួយនោះ
with anyone under our protection.
នេះណែជើវីចង់លេងក្បាច់អីហ្នឹងចង់លេងក្បាច់អីណែហ្វបីចេកគីម៉ាក៏វាយខ្លាំងដែរបាទឲ្យលុយទៅតាបាទន័យថាយើងយកលុយពីតាលក់សាច់ជ្រូកបាទតាលក់នំប៉ាវចុះបងបាទ
Make sure you don't have trouble with gangsters.
That sounds very reasonable.
ឥឡូវយើងទៅកន្លែងហាងលក់កៅអៅបាទយើងទៅកន្លែងហាងលក់កៅអៅដើម្បីយើងដូរកៅអៅវិញអញ្ចឹងណាកៅអៅនេះពាក់តាំងពី ជួបជាមួយនឹង Anas បាទយ៉ាជួបជាមួយនឹង Anas អញ្ចឹងណាតាំងពីវគ្គមុនដំបូងឥឡូវយើងទៅកាដូអាវចេញបាទឥឡូវមើលអាវសិនងាប់មានតែប្រហែលហ្នឹងអញ្ចឹងឥឡូវយើងយកអាវនេះមកទៅលយខោយកខោជើងធំហ្មងបាទនេះខោពណ៌ជើងធំឯនឹងលយបែជើងស្បែកជើងក៏ទិញទៀតបាទយ៉ាទៅទិញអស់លុយអូខេអញ្ចឹងទិញមួកមួយទៀត$60ហុងកុងហ្វាយកអត់មានលុយទិញទេស្កងដៃអត់ទិញទេតោះឥឡូវទិញតែប៉ុណ្្នឹងបានហើយយ៉ាពាក់មួកទៀតមកលុយណែឥឡូវយើងធ្វើការសុំសុភ័ក្រសេចក្តីសុខតិចសិនបាទយើងធ្វើអញ្ចឹងដើម្បីឲ្យ upgrade ឈាមអញ្ចឹងណាពីក្រហមអាងៀលមកទៅជាបានន័យថាវាមានដើម្បីខ្លាំងជាងមុនគុណ2បាទឈាមយើងគុណ2ធ្វើឲ្យឈាមយើងឡើងគុណ2ឥឡូវ control មកបាទ
What'd you see? I tell you what I didn't see. Nothing to be impressed about. I'm watching you, new guy. You fuck up?
What?
Yeah, fuck up ទៀត
What kind of grades?
នៅតែឆ្លើយដដែល control.
I work my ass off all day, so fuck off and grow up.
Jackie, you're coming with me. We got something to take care of. And you.
control នៅតែឆ្លើយហ្មងឆ្លើយតាំងពីយើងទៅជួបជាមួយនឹងមេអញ្ចឹងណា Winston Okay, mission complete បាន$800ហុងកុងបាទចឹងឥឡូវយើងទៅធ្វើ mission favor mission ទូទូចជាតិច
Probably, yeah. What is it?
Mrs. Chu sent
ចាចាយនេះលក់អាវក្នុង
Alright.
អូខ្វាយលក់បដ ாய் បាទលក់អាវក្នុងហើយលីអូនេរីទៀតបាទចាំវីដេអូនេះសូមទោសដល់កញ្ញាជាពិសេសផងណាអាមចង់ទេតែនេះតតបានមកបាទឥឡូវយើងធ្វើការយកលុយពីយេប៉ែនឹងឲ្យទៅទឹកស្រីឈុបាទដោយសារយេប៉ែនឹងទៅហូបកន្លែងហើយអត់មានលុយឲ្យគេចឹងបាទយ៉ាស្អីនោះយ៉ាវាយគ្នាចូលមកអូនណែស៊ីម្ដាយឥឡូវធ្វើការចាប់វាទៅដាក់នៅក្នុងធុងបាសហ្មងនេះចូលក្នុងបាសមួយចាប់វាទៅដាក់មួយទៀតតែញុកចូលទៅក្នុងអំពងស្លេងភ្លឹបអូ my god បាទមួយទៀតចប់ចាប់វាទៅដាក់នៅកន្លែងទូបងនេះចាប់វាទៅដាក់កន្លែងទូរស័ព្ទណែយ៉ាលើតើអីយ៉ាជិះវាយខុសនេះដល់ពេលដែលឡើងអាលឿងហ្នឹងទៅគឺធ្វើឲ្យឈាមយើងវាឡើងជាងមុនបានន័យថាឡើងខ្លាំងជាងមុនបាទបានន័យថាវាឡើងឲ្យពេញហ្មងបាទកុំឲ្យយើងឆាប់ងាប់បាទ
This is for Susan's lunch.
Thanks.
អូខេឥឡូវយើងបានបញ្ចប់ជាមួយនឹង favor របស់យើងហើយបាទអូខេ អូខេបាទអ្នកនរគ្នាចឹងវីដេអូនេះគឺមានតែប៉ុណ្្នឹងទេអរគុណអ្នកនរគ្នាសម្រាប់ការតាមដានទស្សនាវីដេអូនេះពីដើមរហូតដល់ចប់ហើយខ្ញុំសង្ឃឹមថាអ្នកនរគ្នាកុំភ្លេចចុច Subscribe ទៅលើ Channel Hey Mojiwut Official ផងដើម្បីមានវីដេអូថ្មីៗចែកជូនទៅកាន់អ្នកនរគ្នាទៀតចឹងពីខ្ញុំបាទ Hey Mojiwut Official ជួបគ្នានៅ Episode 2 Bye bye